Hi, I wanted to talk to you guys about this neat tool that I found on Project Management Institute's website. It's part of their learning library, and it's an article from one of their prior conferences, and it includes a earned value management spreadsheet that's used as a tool to calculate earned value. Okay, so let's get to the site. So, like I said, it's part of their learning library here, and you will find the download for the Earned Value Management Calculator right here. You click this, and it'll ask you to either sign in or create an account with Project Management Institute, and then you'll be able to download the tool. Now, if you take a look at this is an article, like I said, from the PMI Global Congress in 2006, and it talks all about earned value management. It really makes it easy to understand earned value. So when you get to the calculator, you'll see here, and I already filled out the tasks here. When you download it, there will actually be tasks in there already. So I took out all those tasks and the numbers because it didn't really apply to what we're doing, because it was old. It was from 2014. So here I put a planned start date on 8/1 2022 with a planned finish of 8/10 2022. Today's 8/13, so it's after the planned finish date, and you'll see that I had a $150,000 planned cost for the task, and we had 40% complete. And remember, we're already past the planned finish date, and I'm saying here that the actual cost for the task so far is already $100,000. So when you see your PV is planned value, it calculates what the planned cost is, and it sees that the planned finish date is before today's date, so it's assuming that your planned value is your planned cost, and that's really your starting point there on calculating earned value. So when you get to the earned value part, so it's E5 times F5, right? So in E5 times F5, so E5, which is the planned cost, times F5, which is the percent complete, then you get your earned value. Okay, SV is your schedule variance, so it's I5, which is your earned value, minus H5, which is your planned value, and that's how you get that. Okay. SPI, which is scheduled performance index. So your SPI is calculated as an I5 divided by H5. So I5, which is your earned value, divided by H5, which is your planned value. That's how you get your scheduled performance index. Your cost variance is I5 minus G5. So again, earned value minus G5, which is your actual cost, and that's how you get that. CPI, which is your cost performance index, is calculated I5 divided by G5. So I5 divided by G5, so your earned value divided by your actual cost, that's your cost performance index. Now EAC means estimate at completion, and the way they're representing it here, you'll see down there in the sheet here where it says EAC1 should be used when you expect the remainder of the task to proceed as originally planned. Let's say you didn't change any of the tasks, it should proceed according to what your plan is, and so that's when you use EAC1's number. Okay, EAC2 should be used if you expect any variance to date to continue to completion. Let's say you found something wrong, you have to add some steps into your task. So this is the number that you're supposed to use for that. Okay, and ETC is estimate to complete. So now, ETC estimate to complete assumes, so it's E5 minus G5, so it's E5 right, which is your planned cost, minus G5, which is your actual cost. So there's $50,000 left in your budget. Okay, but it says here it's going to take $190,000 if you're not going to change any steps in your tasks. So that's why you have this cost variance of $40,000. So I hope I was able to give you guys some value with that, that really short overview of earned value and the tool to calculate earned value, because I like using spreadsheets to help my life out, and so I don't have to recreate the wheel. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.